So now in this video we're going to look at this circuit again. I made it a while ago, but basically we have a voltage doubler here. We have two LEDs that need a total, they're in series, about 6 volts to light up. I grabbed blue, thinking it was blue on there, but it's green. But blue and green both drop about 3 volts. So in any case, we need about 3 volts. We have 5 volts from the power supply. And we're cutting even more voltage because we got some diodes there in series. So there you can see the gray bands over here, the cathode, gray band over there, forward bias. And so the capacitor is charging, but there's not enough voltage to light the LEDs. But you can see through this diode we come to the positive side of this capacitor. And both of these are 1000 microfarad capacitors. And the bottom of the switch, those are always connected, those two pins, coming over here to 220 ohm resistor to the negative supply. There you can see. So that capacitor is charging probably up to about 4.5 volts, approximately. Now, we have the switch there. And so when I close the switch, you can see we got positive coming over to that side of the capacitor, positive 5 volts. And then this capacitor probably charged up to about 4.5 volts because of the diode drop. And so that 9.5, because they add up approximately, is going to go into that capacitor, but that's going to drop, again, about half a volt. We're just kind of going approximations there. So this has the potential of charging up to a little bit less than 9 volts, probably. But it does still have to provide some current to the load there, so that's going to help limit how fast it can charge and how much it can charge. But in any case, there you can see, I hit the switch. Every time I hit the switch, we pump a little more charge into the capacitor, and the LEDs get brighter until they'll reach a certain brightness where they won't get any brighter if you click it fast enough. So again, this isn't practical. These switches wear out over time, and you can see it's not even working very good with my finger like it used to. So I use the bottom of the screwdriver to get a better press. But in any case, hopefully that all made sense and you enjoy the circuit. So thanks for watching. Make sure you check out one of the other videos I'm posting on the screen, and check out the links down below. They all help out a lot. I'll see you in the next video.